Hey there, mind detectives. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of human connection. Specifically, we're cracking the code on how girls flirt. You know the feeling. You're chatting with someone new, and you can't quite tell if there's a spark or if they're just being friendly. Fear not, because the mind detective is here to equip you with the ultimate guide to deciphering her signals. Is she flirting, or is she just being nice? The answer might lie in the subtle language of body language. Sign number 1. Reaching out, the digital dance. First up, is she the one initiating contact? Does her name light up your phone a little more than usual? Whether it's a funny meme or a casual, hey, these digital nudges could be a sign she's interested in keeping the conversation going. Sign number 2. Shared secrets, the inner circle. Does she share secrets with you? Leans in to whisper a joke or a funny observation? This is her way of creating a sense of intimacy and trust, letting you into her inner circle. Sign number 3, nervous energy. The body language buzz pay attention to her physical tells. Does she twirl her hair or tap her fingers while chatting? This nervous energy could be a sign she's smitten and trying to channel her excitement. Sign 4. Gentle touches, the accidental brush. Does she brush your arm accidentally or find reasons for playful contact? These gentle touches are a subtle way of gauging your interest and creating a physical connection. Sign number 5. Teasing banter, the playful jabs. Is her conversation peppered with playful jabs and witty comebacks? This playful banter is a sign she enjoys your company and wants to keep the conversation flowing. Sign number 6, the look. Can't take her eyes off you. The eyes truly are the window to the soul. Does she catch your eye and hold your gaze a little longer than usual? A lingering look, with a hint of a smile, is a classic sign of flirtation. Sign number 7. All ears, hanging on your every word. Is she genuinely interested in what you have to say, even if it's about the weather? When she leans in, nods along, and asks follow-up questions, she's showing she's invested in getting to know you better. Sign number 8. Extended talks, more than just. Questions. Does she come to you for advice, even on things she could easily Google? These extended conversations are her way of keeping the connection going and savoring your company. Sign number 9. Close encounters, breaking the bubble. Does she find reasons to be physically close, leans in during conversation, or lingers in your personal space? This is her way of subtly bridging the gap and showing she's comfortable with you. Sign number 10. Loving the laughs, your inner comedian. Does she find your jokes hilarious, even the corny ones? Her laughter is a sign she enjoys your company and the fun vibe you create together. Sign number 11. Dressed to impress, putting on a show. Suddenly looking like she stepped out of a magazine. This extra effort with her appearance could be her way of grabbing your attention and making a good impression. Sign number 12. After hangout texts, keeping the conversation going. Does she follow up a casual hangout with a text message saying how much fun she had? This isn't just polite small talk. It's her way of extending the connection and hinting she'd like to see you again. Sign number 13. The jealousy game, a risky play, catching her chatting with someone else while stealing glances your way. This jealousy play, though risky, might be her way of testing the waters to see if you feel the same way. Sign number 14. Fun chats, turning the mundane into magic. Does she take a boring conversation about the weather and turn it into a hilarious adventure? This playful conversation style shows she enjoys your company and wants to make the most of every interaction. Sign number 15. Flirty gestures, the nonverbal cues. Keep an eye out for classic flirty gestures like hair flips or exposing her neck while laughing. These nonverbal cues are her way of subconsciously drawing your attention and signaling attraction. Sign 16. Minty freshness, the pre-chat breath fix. Does she reach for a stick of gum right before a chat? This might be more than just a breath mint. It could be a sign she's preparing for a closer encounter. Sign number 17. Compliment showers, making you feel like a star. Is she showering you with praise and compliments? From, "You're amazing at this," to, "I love how you think." These positive vibes are her way of boosting your confidence and showing she's genuinely impressed. Sign number 18. Decoded body language, reading between the lines. Remember, these signs are most meaningful when viewed together. Look for a combination of these nonverbal cues to get a clearer picture of her intentions. So, mind detectives, there you have it. 18 signs to help you decipher the code of female flirtation. Now you can approach your next conversation with confidence, knowing whether there's a spark or just friendly vibes. What are some signs you've noticed when a girl is flirting? Leave a comment below, and let's crack the code together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you next time.